Today we'll show you 3 ideas to decorate everything for Halloween. A ghost, a bat, and a pumpkin. Today we do Halloween crafts. Learn with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. Let's start with this cute ghost. We need ghost pads, white glue, water, and a spray bottle. Mix a little bit of white glue and a little bit of water, and try not to pour everything out as I always do. Mix it well, and now we're going to prepare a base for the ghost with aluminum foil, and a bottle to make a shape like this. Put 3 ghost pads on top, and place them like this. And now spray everything with a mixture of white glue and water. Let it dry for 1 hour. Now let's take the bottle and the aluminum foil out. Spray everything one more time. And let it dry again. When it's dry, glue 2 eyes, put lights inside, and oops! That's it! A ghostly lamp! The next craft is based on the spell we saw in the Halloween episode, where Gato Rainbow pranked Gata Moon. Let's make this pumpkin. We need orange cardboard, tissue paper, black or brown cardboard, clear contact paper, and scissors. Fold the cardboard in half and cut a shape like this. Now let's cut again, trying to leave the same margin for the whole shape. And we have the contour of a pumpkin. Stick it in a piece of contact paper. Now cut pieces of tissue paper and stick them carefully until we fill the pumpkin completely. Put more contact paper on top. Cut the excess. And that's it! We can put a little piece of green so that it looks more beautiful. And it's time to put its face on. Look how cool it is when you put it in front of a light. Now let's make a bat. This time based on Gata Moon's prank to Gato Rainbow. We need a toilet paper roll, black paint, googly eyes, toilet paper, water spray bottle, and markers. The first thing we will do is to paint the toilet paper roll black. Now fold the white cardboard and cut the wings so that they are symmetrical. On a piece of toilet paper, paint with the colors you want. It does not have to be perfect, you'll see why. Repeat the process and put the paper on top of the wings we just cut. Spray water over it. Let it rest for a couple of minutes. And look how nice it turned out! Glue the body to the bat. Put 2 eyes. And with some fangs, we already have the sweetest bat ever. I'm sure our favorite wizards will be very proud. Which one was your favorite craft? The ghost? The bat? Or the pumpkin? We had a great time making them. We hope you enjoyed it too. And if so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot to keep making videos like this. See you soon with new videos. Bye!